All right, guys, I wanted to do a quick unboxing of this. I'm gonna try to pick it up. It's brand new Genie Ultra Quiet Smart Home LED Lighting Garage Door Opener. So to not waste so much time trying to take it out of the box, when I did some of that already, and this is what it'll look like. Look at these cool LEDs though, different than the ones we typically see. And it does have, it's like Aladdin Connect ready, so you have to buy the accessory, but so that way you can control, if you buy that extra accessory, which I have reviewed in another video, you can check it out. It'll let you control it from your phone, a tablet, anything like that. Comes with 2 of these remotes, the keypad, the wiring for the sensors, and then the mount to hold the sensors. So basically everything that you need to get started to set them up. The installation is fairly easy, but again, if you're looking for, and in the sound, really quiet, just like it says in the title, ultra quiet, literally what it is. But again, if you're looking for a good, reliable garage door opener, this Genie is definitely a 10 out of 10.